model, 2017 Ford Transit 350 lwb high top starts drives brake fault Euro 6 Vat Inclusive. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 105,913. MOT, the 7th of July 2026. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 TDCI 130 PSA. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Brakes don't work. The pedal is hard. The vacuum pump has been replaced, but still hard pedal may be servo issue, not sure either way still starts and drives. Engine clutch and gearbox to perfect simple repair. If you know what you're doing. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work.